Am I the asshole if I don't want my girlfriend to bring her cat when she moves in? It's safe to say that I am a dog person. I've always loved dogs and always had dogs. And my dog that I have now is my best bud. I love how social they are and how much they show that they love their humans back. I also love how smart and trainable they are. But I definitely do not like cats. Lots of people love them and that's fine, but I personally do not even slightly see the appeal of taking care of an animal that doesn't give two shits if you live or die. It also takes an insane amount of training and effort to learn even the basic commands, which honestly they only will ever do that if they feel like it. I can't count how many times I've been scratched or bitten by a cat for no reason other than the fact that I dared to go near it. So yeah, I'm not a fan. Now, my girlfriend and I have been dating for coming up on a year, and she is a 1 in a million girl. When we're apart, I often find myself just wanting to spend time together. She's super funny, she always makes me laugh out loud, and she's an amazing artist. And she has a cat. It's not a particularly bad cat or anything as far as cats go. It's very average. But I hate cats so much that even average is bad. Have you ever hated someone so much that every little thing annoys you? That's what cats are like to me. And this cat is just everywhere when I'm hanging out at my girlfriend's apartment. Jumping up and down from shelves, stepping on my crotch, kneading my leg with its paws, and most importantly, its claws. Yowling outside the bedroom door whenever I spend the night. But my girlfriend, for whatever reason, loves him and doesn't see any flaws. All of this wouldn't be a problem, but as I said, we're approaching 1 year and I've been thinking about our future together. I can see myself marrying this girl and I want her to move in with me, but I don't want to have a cat. I don't even know if my dog will get along with it, and I know that I won't get along with it. I've tried to talk to my girlfriend about the issue and she just turns stone cold. I'll say, hey, maybe the cat can live with your parents when we move in together. I mean, they're in the same city as us. Her reply, no, we're a package deal. I tried very calmly and rationally explaining to her the issue, and she outright said that I need to figure out what's more important to me, because either they are both moving in with me or we're gonna break up and stop wasting each other's time. I mean, she gave me a full-on ultimatum and held our relationship hostage. I feel like I'm stuck between a rock and a hard place here. If she's playing hardball, would I be an asshole for me to make the move to play hardball right back and say that she can't move in until she rehomes her cat? Okay, guys, so let me know in the comments if you think that this guy sounds like an asshole or not. And also let me know what you think about this gorgeous new domino and case set that I just recently made. All right, thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe.